Hey everyone, welcome back to BDG Reviews. We got something a bit different today. Today we got an unboxing. So here we go. What we've got here is the Arrow Video Blu-ray Collection. Battles Without Honor and Humanity. I've been looking forward to this set for quite a while, so let's get it started. Nice cardboard chip box. Well, I think it's cardboard. Seems to be cardboard. Open this up. Yeah, nice. Here, I'll do it this way. Nice, good quality box. It's, yeah, I'm just kind of really impressed just with the box alone. That's pretty sweet. So, first up, first disc. Battles Without Honor and Humanity. Double disc. Really sweet. Blu-ray, DVD. Original cover art on the other side, so that's pretty sweet. Oh, what the hell? Very cool. Next up, disc 2, Hiroshima Deathmatch. Again, Blu-ray, DVD, original cover art, new cover art. Very good. Proxy War. DVD, Blu-ray, DVD. Original cover, new cover. Yeah. This is going to take a while, I think. Police Tactics. Oh, come on. Final episode. Very nice set, this. Limited edition, from what I've heard, only, I think it's 2,000 made, so I'm quite happy about that. There. Battles Without Honor and Humanity, the complete saga. This is, I think this is the entire series cut together. I'm not sure. 3 discs. Very cool set. Very cool. And then Yakuza Papers book. Let's see if I can get this here. Really nice set. Smells really good too. Yeah, this is all around a really cool set. I've been waiting for this. I pre-ordered this, hell, when I first heard about it, so 4 or 5 months ago. So I'm really happy that this has come through. Great flicks. You know, an Arrow Video, you know, always give you a good release, so I'll probably try to come back with a more in-depth review of these once I watch them. But I think it was 85 bucks for the entire set. So, you know, that's a pretty reasonable price for this level of stuff. So yeah, if I seem a bit distracted, it's just because